Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to sign in to Outlook using QR code. So to use QR code login for Outlook web app, make sure that you have the Microsoft Authenticator app installed on your phone and your Outlook or Microsoft account is already added to the app. You're using the work or school accounts. QR signing is currently only supported for this. It is not supported for personal accounts like Outlook.com. It is only for those who have work or school accounts. So if you haven't added your account to the Microsoft Authenticator app yet, just go to settings, go to add accounts, go to work or school account, go to sign in with credentials. Now go to the Outlook web app sign in page. So open your browser and go to Outlook. On the sign in screen, under the email field, click sign in options. Instead of typing your password, we'll choose a smarter route, which is QR code sign in. From the list of options, click sign in with a QR code. Then a unique QR code will be displayed on your screen. All you need to do next is to open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. Tap the account you added, work or school account, remember. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, choose sign in with QR code or scan QR code depending on your version. Scan the QR code shown on your computer screen, and once scanned, you'll be automatically signed into your Outlook account. No typing, no fuss. To make QR code and push notifications to your default, in the Authenticator app, tap your account, tap set up phone signing and follow the on-screen steps. Once activated, you'll be able to sign in using Face ID, fingerprint or device pin and no password needed, and that's it. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.